Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Nash 2022 29S. So this is a product made by Northwood and the same guys that make Arctic Fox. The Nash is supposed to be the younger brother of the Arctic Fox. So you're gonna minus some features. You're gonna also minus on some of the price. What we've noticed is that the line between Nash and Arctic Fox has started to kind of like blur and get really small quality wise. So that being said, this is almost the same thing at this point as an Arctic Fox. I love the Nash because they're constantly trying to improve on what they do and trying to make it not get left behind in terms of RV technology and what the new standard is going to become. So that being said, this is a great product if you're looking for maybe Arctic Fox quality. So this is the layout. So let's start in the kitchen. You have all of this counter space. I like the way that this cabinet kind of hovers so you can kind of access this area from back here. You have your sink right here. It's 2 sinks. You also have some covered space up above. That actually goes very deep. It's kind of dark in here, but see if you can peek back in the corner over there. So it goes all the way over there. Probably engulfs my whole arm. You have your microwave right here. 3 burner cooktop. Got your oven right there. You also have these drawers down below. They actually gave you all this space down here too. You got some drawers right here. Drawer right here. And you also have this one up here. That one's easy to miss. So you come over here. This is your refrigerator and your freezer. They are separated. I love that they do the wood against it. It just fits everything really nice. You also have this pantry set up. That's huge. Super big. It takes that much of my arm. And then you have that little space down there if you're going to put more stuff down there. And then you have this bunk set up. It's got the teddy bear bunk. That's what they call this pad. Every rig has that, but it's standard now. This can close and kind of give the top bed privacy. This can close and separately give the bottom bed privacy. They're not connected. You also have this ladder is bolted down. It's not going to be all flimsy. So that's nice. And you got these 2 dresser drawers right here, which is perfect. You also got this drawer. It's nice that it pulls out so you don't have to... The ones that open and swing open, you have to like crawl under there and get all your stuff out. This one pulls all your stuff out with it. I mean, simple, but there's a lot of rigs that don't do that. That's the thing. This comes down into a bed, so you can have a bed right here as well as your couch right here. Can also be a bed. Got these little cubbies. These are not separated in the middle, so you can access all the way across all 3. And then I'll have you go over in that corner over here. This is the bedroom. So it is not really a full walk around bed because of this wall. That's why they gave us 2 doors. So that way you can just go around like this little bit and walk around it. So it's kind of nice. It's a way that you can have your separated room, still access all the way around your bed. This does flip around. And your living room TV does come into your bedroom if you want it to. That way you can watch from right in here. So you don't have to have 2 TVs. Also saves you on a little cost. Just one that swivels. I love it. You also have this storage up here. Let's see if I can get it. Ah! Storage right there. Another quality thing that I love is they have a CNC machine that makes a lot of their cuts. A computer comes through and etches in this design. It's just such good attention to detail. Just when you spend just a tiny bit more, you're going to see things like that, which is just care on design. These do have dividers in them. And you do have a little drawer right here. It comes out that far. That's my whole arm, tip to elbow. I always like saying stuff like that because it's hard to tell on videos. You also have this underneath the bed. That's super huge. Fit 4 suitcases right there. If you needed to. There is this spot right here too. So what's really cool is you can put your remotes there. And then when you come over here, you can get your remote out on this side. It's just standard. You just throw your remotes there every time. And when you go to bed, you flip the TV. It's just in the same spot from the other side. Just makes sense. You can tell that they've thought about this rig. Here's your bathroom. So you get the squared off shower, which is really nice, instead of the cornered one. It's just some more room. The toilet space, there is a lot of it. Any type of body size can fit right there. You did have the sink, and that mirror inside does open. Let's just show you that. Let's not be lazy. So then you can have that. You can put medicine there or whatever you need to do.
I don't know how to separate entrance.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it has a separate entrance. Yeah. That way you can air it out. If you need to. It happens. So I really love this rig. I got just a wife and, well, not just a wife, but I got 2 kids as well. So I'm always really, really picky about bunkhouses. What would I get for myself? And this is definitely, honestly, one of the ones that I would actually own. It's a quality product. It's very, very 4 seasons. One of the most 4 seasons reliable ones out there. So if you have any questions on it at all, we can go over weights, we can go over truck compatibility, prices, all that stuff. You can just give me a call. My name is CoBuystedt. You can call me at 541-735-1535. Thank you.